Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this very elegant and modern design. It's perfect for any occasion. This beautiful design has Levi bracelet style on the wrist, like a bracelet shape wrapping slightly around the wrist. On the upper side of this band, I'm creating small floral elements, tiny petals and curved lines to give a very feminine look. So these are small swirl hem flowers. You can see how detailed the flowers are, and in the middle we are creating bold leaves so that the design can look a little bit in a darker and a lighter shade. Now I'm creating a mapping line where I want to place all the bold leaves. These measurements are very important so that you can place all the things in their proper shapes and places. It really helps to create a very intricate design as well. So now I've just created the leaves. We will fill this later. Now we are on to the fingers. I'm giving a very round thick shape on the fingers so that I can match the design. As you can see on the wrist, I have created the same band, same thick band, so I wanted to balance that wristband on the fingers so my entire design looked balanced. Now we are filling up with all the small elements on the fingers because I have already created a lot of many bold things on the wrist and the middle area. So now I am just giving a full branch of tiny little hems and overlining it. And if you can see how detailed the things are, you need to ensure the flow of the henna cone is very thin and precise. You need to be very, it is very important that how you press the cone, because in this kind of henna designs your pressing matters a lot. Because if you can see, where you need to make the thin layers of the design and where you need to do a little bit thick layering of henna. Now we are outlining all the elements. If you can see, I've created a check pattern on the fingers. Here I am giving all the fingers the same look, the same elements. If you guys want you to put something different on different fingers, you can do that as well. That up to your choice. Being an artist, you can actually create your own stuff. Even if you are taking an inspiration from some other design, you can still add up your things. So now we are filling up all the leaves and thick border lines which we left in the starting, so it can look really beautiful. You can see how elegant now the design looks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this is the right time to subscribe, and you will be able to learn a lot many new and unique design with me, because I'll be sharing each lessons every day, so you guys can also learn and share this with your friends and families. Thank you for watching my reels. Do like it, do share it. Thank you.